Today I'm going to show you what you can do if a PS4 controller no longer loads. You disassemble the device. There are 1000 videos on how to do it. I'll show you today what the cause is. So I disassembled it beforehand. We're removing the ribbon cable here. So, and now we have the controller in front of us. And the reason is, if you get angry and throw the device on the floor or against the wall, whatever is at that spot where the battery is. A piece of plastic. And this is pushing there. I'll show you the screwdriver. A little better, press this one over there. Where now only 2 solder joints can be seen. On an SMD component and tears it off. This of course means that loading is over because the block is needed. You can now do the following. If you disassemble the devices, you go and see if it is still somewhere, this component, and try to redeem it with the SMD soldering iron, and after that the device should work again. If this is not the case and she can no longer find the component, things are looking very bad. Then you can try taking the battery out and charging it some other way. I hope you liked it, and then take care until the next video.